Hi, I'm Sean Doherty. Welcome to the Home Bartender. If you're a bourbon fan, this is going to be one of your favorite summertime beverages in a hurry. I'm going to introduce you to a Kentucky Blizzard. Our base ingredient, of course, is bourbon. Then we need lime juice, freshly squeezed, of course, some simple syrup, cranberry juice, and a little bit of grenadine. And we're going to build it in this mixing glass filled with ice. Our finished glass is going to be an old-fashioned glass filled with ice. But first, let's go ahead and build this up by first pouring in 1.5 ounces of bourbon. About 3/4 ounce of cranberry juice, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, and just a dash of grenadine. What we're going to do is shake it up. Make sure it's all nice and mixed together, and strain it into the old-fashioned glass. Finish it off with a nice stir stick, and there you have a Kentucky Blizzard.
If you want to know more about drinks and get our drink of the day every day with a video, please check out my website at SeanTheBartender.com, where we teach you a drink of the day every single day with a video showing you how to make it. Perfect for the home bartender enthusiast. Also, we do a little bit of blogging for future bartenders. If you want to friend us on Facebook, please check us out at facebook.com/SeanTheBartender. And if you want to get my book on the etiquette of bartending, come check it out on Amazon.com and look up Extra Dry with a Twist. Thanks for joining us tonight. Look forward to seeing you again. Until next time, cheers.